Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust text boxes vertical and horizontal alignment using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, and here you will find this edit option. Select here and drag your mouse cursor, select your text boxes, go to fixed alignment and select this alignment option. I will adjust this horizontal alignment, and here you will find this horizontal option. Select here and this horizontal alignment adjusted. Also select these two text boxes horizontally and save this, and also align these two text boxes and fix this vertical alignment and save it and save this. In this way you can adjust this vertical and horizontal alignment and see this. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.